Okay guys, we're doing front rotors and pads on a 2020 Porsche. So be careful. These rotors are directional, means the air has to come out of these. You cannot mess it up by putting right side on the left and left on the right. So you have to be very careful. There are different part numbers for it. This way the rotors can stay cool. Another thing is you need a T30 right here. Right here to open it. Once you open that, you need a multi-spline brake caliper tool. Blue Point makes it. Some other also might make it, but this is basically a 12 point. One goes here and one goes there. Disconnect the brake pad wear sensor, which is behind the spindle right here. You see my finger? Use a bungee cord handy, because when you take the caliper out you want to hang it on the bungee cord. This way it takes the weight of the caliper, not the hose. And be careful, do not bother with these. These are not your caliper bolts. These are right here. Good luck.